Hi guys, it's Ariel here. Here's my aunt. Here's my brother Zim. This is me, the regular me, plays Ariel. And we're back for another slime. But this time it's clear slime. Okay? Clear slime. Then here, we're gonna make our slime. And here's our beautiful male Marjorie, and all you need is something to mix in, something to mix with, and something to mix, activator. I use the liquid detergent, Ariel. Okay, we already made slime, so we're gonna make it, and PVA clear glue, of course, clear glue, clear slime, and here, we're gonna make it already. First, we're gonna dump your sticky glue. Then dump, and I'm making slime with my brother right there. And just put it, dump, just squeezing all of it. There, etc. Then you thought there was nothing, but there's something. See? It's really, really clear. Then we're just scooping it all, and then we put the activator. Yeah. Next, we put the activator, Ariel liquid detergent.
Sito yan.
No, I only use it for
a container.
Yep. Then
Any solution that for slime activate?
yes, less activator, the more glues. You see, it's already clumping. Ta-da! The magic already has happened. See? You see? And then just keep on playing with it. The more you play with it, the less it sticks. Okay? See?
And then when you set it, it will be so clear.
Yeah, really, really clear. It gets really cloudy when you play with it.
Yuck.
Ta-da! There's our slime, and just let it dry for 15 minutes or 5 minutes or 10 minutes. And then, voila!
Mine is just
There's
so
the
clear.
slime. And here's my brother's slime. Here's my brother's slime.
Parang
And
sifon, dito lumalabas dito.
bye guys. Please check out our last videos, the slime. Check it, like it, and subscribe. Bye bye. Please subscribe this video and like it. Bye.